Tired of stale snacks and messy pantries? Let's talk about the ComSaf Airtight Glass Jar Set. First reason, ultimate freshness with airtight sealing. No more soggy cereal or wilted herbs, everything stays crisp. Second reason, durable, high-quality glass for safe storage. Forget flimsy plastic. These jars are sturdy and long-lasting. The clear design means you always see what's inside. No more guessing if you're out of oats or pasta. Third reason, perfect for canning, pickling, and organizing. Home cooks, food preservers, and organizers, this is for you. Make homemade jams, pickles, or store dry goods with ease. Wire clip fastening keeps everything secure and spill-free. Each jar holds 17 OZs, ideal for snacks, spices, or leftovers. Stack them up to save space in your kitchen or pantry. The wide mouth makes filling and cleaning super simple. No more struggling to reach the last almond at the bottom. Love a tidy kitchen? These jars are your new best friend. Label each jar for ultimate organization and zero confusion. Great for bulk storage. Buy big, store smart, save money. They're also perfect for gifting homemade treats to friends. No more mismatched containers cluttering your shelves. ComSaf jars look sleek and modern on any countertop. Ideal for busy families, meal preppers, and foodies alike. Preserve the flavor and aroma of your favorite ingredients. Store coffee beans, flour, nuts, or even pet treats. The airtight seal keeps out moisture and pesky bugs. No more wasted food. Everything stays fresh and tasty. Easy to open, easy to close. No complicated mechanisms. Perfect for quick access during busy cooking sessions. Glass is non-toxic and won't absorb food odors or stains. Safe for your family and better for the environment. Say goodbye to plastic and hello to sustainable storage. These jars are dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying meals. Great for organizing your pantry, fridge, or even craft room. Store buttons, beads, or bath salts. Get creative. The set of 6 means you'll always have enough jars. No more running out of containers mid-meal prep. Perfect for portioning snacks for work or school lunches. Keep your kitchen looking neat and Instagram ready. Impress guests with your organized, stylish storage solutions. The wire clip fastening adds a vintage, charming touch. Upgrade your kitchen game with these versatile jars. Ready to declutter and preserve with confidence? Don't wait. These jars are a must-have for every home. Click the link to add ComSaf jars to your cart now. Experience the difference of airtight, durable glass storage. Join thousands of happy home cooks and organizers today. Transform your pantry and keep food fresher, longer. Still using old containers? It's time for an upgrade. Treat yourself to storage that's practical and beautiful. Love your kitchen again with ComSaf airtight glass jars. Don't miss out. Organize, preserve, and enjoy every bite. Tap now to shop and start your kitchen transformation. Freshness, durability, and style, all in one jar. ComSaf airtight glass jars, your secret to a happier kitchen. Before it sells out again, hit that link in the description and check it out.